The science of morning routine. Have you ever wondered why some people seem unstoppable in life while others struggle just to get through the day? The secret often lies in one powerful habit, their morning routine. And today we will dive deep into the science of why mornings can make or break your success. Section 1: Why Morning Matters. Neuroscience says our brain is most alert and creative within the first few hours after waking. Cortisol, the alertness hormone, peaks in the morning, making it the perfect time to set the tone for the entire day. Studies show that people who follow structured routines in the morning are more productive, have better mental health, and even live longer. Section 2: The science backed elements of a morning routine. 1. Hydration. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, the body is dehydrated. Drinking water boosts metabolism by up to 30%. 2. Movement exercise. Just 10 to 15 minutes of stretching or exercise increases dopamine and endorphins, enhancing focus and mood for the rest of the day. 3. Mindfulness meditation. Harvard's studies prove that even 10 minutes of meditation reduces stress and rewires the brain for better focus. For planning and journaling, written down three priorities for the day programs your brain's reticular activating system to focus on what truly matters. 5. Learning and reading. Feeding the brain early in the day creates a compound effects over time, leading to exponential growth in knowledge and skills. Section 3: Real life examples. Successful leaders like Tim Cook, Apple CEO Robin Sharma, and Oprah Winfrey credit their structured mornings for their success. They start early, exercise, reflect, and focus on personal growth before the world even wakes up. Section 4: How to build your own routine. Start small, pick just one habit like drinking water. Stay consistent. The brain forms new habits through repetition, usually in 21 to 60 days. Customize your perfect routine should match your goals, not someone else's. Your morning is not just the start of the day, it is the foundation of your future. The science is clear. Those who win their mornings win their lives. So, what's the first habit you will add to your routine tomorrow morning? Drop it in the comments and do not forget to like and subscribe for more science baked self improvement strategies right here on Beyond Rewired. And thank you.